So here is our third crossbar. I'm just going to insert that on the very last. This one's a little longer. Adjust it. The very last slot, just like that. And now we have 3 crossbars. Okay, so I have all of my fabric here that I prepped earlier because I knew I would need it for my last bar. So I kind of moved it out the way. So now I will to where it should be so I can thread my crossbar. And I just bring all of it right here. Because I know all I'm doing is looking for the tag and looking for the seam and pushing it to the back. I want to, since this is the front panel and this is an 8-foot backdrop, I definitely want at least 6. I want a big opening, so I wouldn't use 8 because this is a triple layer. And I don't want the front fabric to swallow up the whole design. There's my tags going to the back. Making sure I don't thread any of this the same. Okay. So the third one. And seam has to go in the back. Oops. With this being the bright front fabric that you will see, you definitely want to make sure all of your inseams are in the back. Your other panels, you kind of can get away with it if you know it's your second and third layer and it's going to get covered up. But your front definitely has to be polished. Okay. This is 4. Move that over some. Give me some more room for my fabric. So if you can see, this time I'm not doing one side and then go do the other side. I'm doing all of my drape at one time on one side. Just showing you an alternative. Okay, that's 4. Here's 5. Tag, and my 6 is right there. I'm going to see how this looks. I may want to use ink, not sure. Let me see. Spread it out. One, 2, 3. Yep, for the sake of this being an 8-foot backdrop, and with them coming in the middle, yeah, I'm going to use 8. So let me go get some more. Okie doke. This is number 7. 8 on the opposite side. Okay. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. And it's 4 on this side.